warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Sadar. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब viewers? Well, today we are at Mystic Studio. Viewers, the setup is different altogether today. As you can see, it's very obvious actually. But this is Mystic Studio शिवालिक वाला branch, ठीक है? But हम आज कहीं और shoot कर रहे हैं because of the place constraint, because the renovation work is being carried out there. ओके सो सेटअप डिफरेंट है लेकिन फॉर्म वही है मिस्टिक स्टूडियो एंड इन टुडेज एपिसोड वी आर गोइंग टू शोकेस इंटरेस्टिंग सुपर इंटरेस्टिंग स्टिच सूट्स, अनस्टिच सूट्स, कॉट सेट्स, काफ्तान्स, लॉन्ग काफ्तान्स, शॉर्ट काफ्तान्स, डिजिटल सूट्स, पार्टी वेयर सूट्स. There is so much in the list, viewers, so please stay tuned throughout the episode. Do not skip the video. We have with us Nidhi ji, so we welcome her to our channel Metro Heights, and we also welcome all of you new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, and those who have not subscribed to our channel, please do it on priority for more notifications and updates. Well, we have both the buying options available in today's episode, wholesale as well as retail. Anyway, the prices that are going to reveal in today's video are going to be single piece prices, which means retail prices. For wholesale, you may get back to the team because I'm not going to throw much light on it due to business reasons. Okay, but the quantum that you can buy in wholesale is one set, or you may buy in assortment that is 15 to 20 pieces. Okay, and that's a great relief actually. So B2B, B2C resellers are most welcome. And if you are visiting Delhi, and this is their Delhi-based store, viewers, full-fledged showroom, if you want to visit, please refer to the description box and have an appointment and visit the store as well. And if you are not able to visit the store, you can shop online from any corner of the world, and that's our main objective of posting videos on YouTube channel. Okay, and few common terms and conditions of the business before we actually start. No COD, no free shipping, no replacement, no refund, no exchange policy, which every store has, so does this. So please adhere to the rules and regulations of the business. Parcel opening video at any point of time is mandatory. In case you come across any kind of manufacturing defect, you can easily highlight it through a parcel opening video. Then at the very initial stage, 360 degrees, uncut, unedited. Okay, and delivery is as usual across the globe. So I think I'm done with almost all the points. So without any further delay, we get started, and I give control to Nidhi ji. Over to you.
So I don't think Atar has missed a single point. So let me just introduce myself.
Yeah.
I'm Nidhi Tandon from Mystic Studio. I think पूरा description है. And we are a 18-year-old brand situated in Malviya Nagar, Shivalik Road. Today, of course, थोड़ा सा difference लग रहा होगा आपको background.
Venue में हाँ.
But we are very much there at Shivalik Road, Malviya Nagar, strictly by appointment. And also wholesale, retail, startups, exhibition wale, sub, everybody can get back to a single piece. Buying is more than welcome.
More than welcome, yes.
And let's not waste time and start off with 3 cheers to the Metro Heights community for always standing by Mystic Studio. And अगर आपको वीडियो लंबा लग रहा है, please watch it in 2 parts. बस इतना.
And viewers, trust me, today's episode is one of its kind because we are going to see exceptional kind of suits and kaftans and whatever she's going to highlight it and showcase it today. So please don't think that this is a very ordinary, episode, or you're going to see ordinary type of clothes in today's episode. No. So you're mistaken. Everything is very uncommon and very stylish and super smart. So let's start the video. Article number 1.
So article number 1 is a beautiful ombre shirt which we are developing in more colors also. So this is a sample piece. We'll be booking orders on this on different ombres, and we can make it into a plus size also. The price is 1495, and you can see it's embroidery and ombre, and it's all cotton and linen. So plus sizes you can make place orders but on a different pricing. That's your fact. Another one is a satin crepe piece. It's a single standalone piece, and this is again a beautiful nice number, and it's a medium to a double XL. It's a very well finished shirt. Another one is again a cotton linen. Another piece which I'm showing you is a very nice elegant number, and you can see this is the embroidery, and different showrooms, if you see, have these embroideries for 3500. Ours is only 1495 on a size medium to a XL. Another one is a super nice crepe piece, and this is all handwork. पूरा आपका पूरा पट्टी पे काम है, and this is a medium to a good XL size. That's your one. Another one is a Pakistani look, and it's a complete hip covering piece with these kind of.
What is the fabric?
fabric is a viscose crepe and a very nice elegant one for industrial use, and all thread and hand, machine और हाथ दोनों mixed काम है इसमें. And this is a 12.95. Another one is a denim classic, and these are free size imported pieces. This is a 11.95 only, and medium to a XL and double XL. Again, medium to a XL, double XL, a denim classic. This is a 12.50 only. That's your back. Another one is a medium to a double XL. This is the denim sleeves, and this is a 11.95 only. Now this is again a medium to a double XL with a very soft cotton fabric with this kind of a lace and a neck piece to it. It's 11.95. People who like a little bit of bling, this is again a cotton crepe mixed fabric. The size is XL to a good 3XL, 4XL with embroidery for 14.95 in black. Another funky piece which will go from a medium to a double XL again. ये आपका free sizes रहते हैं, पूरा ribbon work हुआ है with organza flowers.
And sequence work, colorful
And
sequence, and it has butterfly motif on it.
And it's a 11.
ये साइड में रखना.
Then we have this one. It's a super soft crepe, 999 पे पीस है और हल्का सा इसमें अगर डायमंडीज आपको दिख रहा है. The next are all up till the plus sizes जो मैं अभी आपको
And what is this? अच्छा, tube light work ना?
ट्यूबलाइट वर्क, प्योर कॉटन, और ये हम
Tube
बहुत
light.
सारे कलर्स में डेवलप कर रहे हैं बिकॉज द फर्स्ट सीरीज इज ओवर.
And the fabric is pure cotton, viewers,
प्योर कॉटन,
and it is in high-low pattern.
एंड आप देख भी सकते हो कि हल्का सा क्रश है, लाइक आई कैरीड इट टुडे, सो यू कैन सी अ लिटिल क्रश, सो यू कैन सी दैट ये
What is this printing?
नो, दिस इज ऑल मशीन वर्क,
Machine work है, embroidery.
एम्ब्रॉयडरी
Okay.
वर्क. ये सारे 1250 से लेकर आपका 1495 का रेंज आ रहा है.
14.95 and back side is plain, na?
बैक साइड इज एब्सोल्युटली प्लेन. आई विल शो यू द बैक ऑफ दैट.
Yeah, it has placket and box pleats, so it
Very-
gives a very smart look, viewers.
वेरी नाइस.
And
And then we have this single crepe piece which is XL to a 5XL
crepe,
series
na?
with embroidery. This is an imported piece.
And these neck pieces are absolutely free, huh?
Free. This is a
With the
jute one
article.
which is handcrafted.
Handcrafted,
ये
na?
वाला 1095 है.
Oh, this necklace is very nice, huh?
And
Neck
then we
piece.
are showing you some Diamante pieces, and it was a hit at this channel, Metro Heights.
Diamantes, huh?
And this is a crepe one. This we can develop in any color. If you want a bulk order also, we are making.
So what is this fabric?
It's a super soft crepe. Industrial
Super
use.
soft crepe, huh?
और इसको हमने डेनिम में भी करा, आप देख सकते हैं. प्लस साइजेस तक आप ले सकते हैं.
Wow, beautiful, huh? I'm loving this Diamantes.
सो दीज आर 1450. एंड अगर आपको लॉन्ग चाहिए है तो वी हैव डेवलप्ड इट इनटू अ लॉन्ग ट्यूनिक.
Hip covering ones, because some people don't like the short ones, so you have an option of a long one also.
So-
ठीक है, so ये तीनों साइड में रखना.
So these are very nice pieces again.
Yes.
And then we would like to show you an article which is Pintex dresses. और जो ये
Pintuck. It's crinkled fabric.
एक cotton crinkle fabric और बहुत ही अच्छा blended
It's
cotton
a
है.
blended fabric actually, but
Blended.
crinkled one. And it has this Pintuck detailing on the neckline, and this is a neck piece which comes absolutely free. And even these are Diamantes, I believe.
Yeah.
Kind
this
of.
This is some meenakari work on the
Meenakari work,
necklace.
na?
Look at the
Okay,
piece.
very nice. So it comes with the cost of the article, huh?
Yeah. So इसमें हमारा जो रेंज है 1450 से लेकर 1888 का रेंज आता है.
1888 का range. Okay, could you please show it from a distance?
Yes.
So
Absolutely.
it looks
इसका
like नहीं,
second
नीचे
colour
रखना,
आप
नीचे रखना, नीचे रखना. हाँ, ऐसे ही.
इस तरह से.
Very nice, beautiful. And even
And
this one,
इसका सेकंड कलर आप देख सकते हैं.
blue, very nice.
और इसके साथ हमने ग्रीन कलर का इस तरह से नेक पीस डाला है.
हाँ.
अगर आप सिर्फ स्टेटमेंट नेक पीस ही ले रहे हो तो ये वाला 1095 का आता है. आपका कंबाइंड पीस 1888 का.
Okay.
एंड जो आप बाकी के दिखा रहे हो ये सब 1495 की रेंज है बिकॉज इसमें थोड़े से डिफरेंट नेक पीसेस हैं. दिस इज अ गुड नाइस बर्न्ट ऑरेंज कॉम्बो.
Burnt orange, and this is pure cotton, viewers, and it has ruffles on the
एंड
hemline.
these are the best thing about this is कि मीडियम टू 48 तक फ्री साइज रहता है.
Yes.
बिकॉज ये बना ही ऐसा हुआ है कि इट इज अ फ्री साइज. और आई
So these are all long tunics, huh? One piece
one-piece tunics with statement neck pieces.
statement neck pieces.
And you won't get it in any shop because it's always we are
Acha,
making.
tell me something. Now, for example, if somebody is not interested in buying the neck piece with the article,
So
will the cost of article go down?
We will reduce the
All
price.
right. So you have an option, viewers.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. So ये side में रखना ये वाला, orange वाला.
And
okay.
then we have this one.
Very
with the
nice leaf
simpler
green
one.
color, and this comes with lurex on it. Okay.
And it's cotton.
Stunning neck piece. I tell you, viewers, this is stunning.
और green में जैसे हमारे पास 2-3 pieces हैं, we can change the neck piece. and give it.
Yeah, you
But
can.
the whole idea is that it looks beautiful with neck pieces. This
And
is a Raja Rani.
ये Raja Rani. And viewers, if you don't want those figure motifs on the neck pieces,
Yeah.
so you can ask for a replacement also.
We will
If-
give you beads.
Yeah, beads. Okay. So, but you will have to ask her.
And then we have this cotton linen dress kind
Wow,
of a thing.
this is so nice.
इसमें हमने दुपट्टा, we have put a scarf, plain scarf
Scarf.
with a Afghani neck piece. This
Afghani
is
neck piece.
1095.
1095. ये side में रखना.
And then we have this one. So that was free size. Again, this is a free size with a
Wow.
another Afghani. ये
Black.
boot आ गया. I'll just place it properly.
So this
It's got
looks.
colours.
This looks wow, huh?
This is also cheese cotton. सारा cotton
Cheese
का
cotton,
हमारा है.
yes. I think cheese cotton is the right word.
So
I
you
was
can wear
missing.
it as a dress,
Yes.
or you wear it as a with
ये भी
a
side में
palazzo.
रखना, black.
और ये
और look at this, viewers. This
ये
comes
high-low
in
आ रहा है.
high-low आ रहा है, and this is like self
Chiffle
में है,
sort of a-
self weave.
हाँ, self weave looks like a little chiffle, but it's a cheese cotton only.
Cheese cotton. Look at the neck piece, viewers.
So this is 1095 with button placket and button sleeve.
Good.
You a very beautiful cord with organza sleeves, and this is all in all embroidery. It's a very intricate handwork. This is color 1. Sizes are available from a medium to a 3XL.
Let me show you the work first of all.
Yeah.
It's all handwork, and these sleeves are very designer ones, organza sleeves. Okay, and the fabric body part is like cotton silk.
And this is a beautiful pants given with it.
हाँ.
And the second color is a peacock blue. So दोनों के दोनों colors
blue.
बहुत ही pretty and nice हैं.
Yes.
And the price point is 2195, and it's a cotton silk sort of a fabric with organza.
ठीक है. ये satin pink side में रखना.
And the next piece I'm showing you is this cord. It's 1888. Again, a cotton silk sort of a fabric. Very breathable, very nice for summer. And that's the back. 1888.
Okay.
And then we have this gorgeous piece, which we have in a lot of sizes. This is a beautiful flower design, and all embroidered thread and beads. This one is again 2195.
ये भी side में रखना.
And then we have 3 colors in this. इसके 3 colors आएंगे.
खाकी
पूरा
color,
बारीक काम है, बूटे हैं सारे.
golden yellow, khaki,
Look
and
at the
salmon pink.
Very very pretty colors. Price is 2195 with so much of bootas of embroidery. Again a cotton silk only. Then we have a few pieces left in these small, medium, larges. Of course, we have in these 2 pieces. So the price is only and only 1888 only.
ये
Because
नीचे रखना, ये नीचे रखना.
1888 only because small, medium, large is only left.
ठीक है. ये side में रखना, ये वाला.
Then we have a very pretty muslin diaries. And this is a designer diaries. ये सारा हाथ का काम आप देख सकते हैं. Very rich, nice number. The price is 2495. All sizes available till 44.
वो side में रखना.
Another super soft imported crepe diary, super soft with embroidery. The price is 1999, and the size of this is medium to a. So this is medium to a 3XL available. Price is 1999. Another one.
Wow, beautiful. This is very pretty.
ये आपका हाथ का
Bottle
काम
green
है
color,
और
and this is all handwork, viewers, and
Yeah.
shoulder are like all with gathers,
with gathers and this kind
puffy shoulders.
and the price is 1999.
Are these cold shoulders?
Yeah, you can call it. I mean, it's actually
Kind
a
of,
full
kind
shoulder,
of.
but we can close it in
Close
case
it.
there is anything. We can close it, no
All right,
problem.
all right.
And 1999 only.
Okay.
And then we have a few sizes in these two, up till the double X.
What is this
5XL,
fabric? This is imported
5XL
fabric, I
कौन सा
believe.
color है? So we have 5XL in this from a medium imported fabric, another color, and the price point for these medium onwards it's available is 1999 only. And this one is a medium to a 3XL, guys. Again, a very rich piece, all embroidered, 1999 only. Next we have this Diamante cord imported. This is a medium to a, इसमें भी कॉटन एंड क्रेप का ब्लेंड है. इस वाले में सिर्फ लार्ज तक साइजेस हैं और इस वाले में भी है 3XL.
3XL, Diamante pieces are very precious.
So now I'm showing you a Pakistani sort of a cord. So this is not a Pakistani. This is developed by us, and this is all cut work.
This is super gorgeous. I'm telling you, viewers.
Very
must buy
pretty
article.
piece, and we have this
Now
bag.
let me give you the
bag with
detailing
it.
first of all. Can you put it straight?
Yes.
So it comes with this boho kind of bag with some mirror detailing on the strap and shell work. Okay, and the sleeves are in cut work. And the body fabric is muslin, pure softest muslin, and here on the hem portion you're getting this slip in organza, embroidered organza, scalloped with scalloping, and the bottoms are also in organza scallop borders. Yeah,
So it's a very special piece.
this kind of pant. Okay,
So in case you want it with the bag, it's 3500. Otherwise, you can pick for 299. 299 because cut work is a form of embroidery which is expensive.
exactly. ये side में रख देना तुरंत.
And then we have this piece which is
Wow.
available till a size 52.
Till
So
52.
we've specially got you pieces which are a little plus size also.
This
So ये
has
medium-
mirror work, huh?
No, this looks like mirror, but
False
this
mirror.
is
False
a
mirror.
false mirror.
Okay,
So that makes it a little lighter in fact.
lighter.
एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन. ये वाला हमारे पास 48 तक अवेलेबल है. जैसे अभी मेरे हाथ में 40 है, बट 48 इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल.
All right.
सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर टेलिंग यू. वी हैव ऑल साइजेस. सो दिस इज ओनली 2200. एंड द नेक्स्ट टू
Pastel green.
इज अ डबल जॉर्जेट. ये हमारा समर में जो डेवलप होता है.
It has very good fall.
लाइट ब्लू एंड वाइट. ये there's a designer working who's doing this piece for us, and this one is a 3288.
3288.
88. And the next to go,
Wow, this is wow. I'm telling you, viewers, this is must buy article. Very nice piece. Very
and
nice.
it's all applique. It's again by a designer.
Piping hot piece, I'm telling you. And this is fluid organza fabric. People also
Look at
call
the
it.
softness.
People also call it Jimmy Choo.
Actually, yes.
Okay, Jimmy Choo also and fluid organza also, but the fabric is super rich, super elegant, and this gota work is going so well. Let me tell you that, viewers. So if you are missing on this article, you will regret. I'm telling you. For
And
sure.
this is it's a stylish pants. with
It's
it.
very
It looks
stylish, and the
very
pant
good.
fabric is also in Jimmy Choo or fluid organza, whatever you call. And
And the size is available till a size 48 from a medium, guys.
Let
and
me
the
tell you
price is 2888 only.
beta viewers, I'm telling you, I'm in love with this article actually. Look at the work. Look at the work, gota work, and look at the sleeves. Such a designer sleeve. Okay, bishop kind of sleeves, huh? Bishop sleeves, and it has this gota detailing on it. And look at the fabric.
It's
Wow.
actually par
It's
excellence.
very, very nice.
So practically we have two pieces. One is in a form of shirt and this is this.
This is ये side में फटाफट.
And this is again a very nice summer breathable article. इसमें हमारे पास medium to 3XL.
Again, I mean the
available.
texture is of like banana cotton, but it is cotton only. Banana
It's
cotton.
a cotton.
Banana cotton. Yes.
और इसमें we have these two beautiful
Two
colors.
shades, yeah. Mauve shade and brown shade.
तो आपको ये medium से 3XL 100% मिलेगा.
ठीक है. Next is black beauty.
ये हमारा आ गया फिर से
You can never
imported
go
वाला.
wrong with black. Look at this, and this comes in pure crepe, I think. Crepe
Yeah.
georgette. This
और ये
crepe
medium
georgette.
to 2XL 100% आपको मिलेगा.
And it has this tone to tone bead work and silver work, katana work on it, and
Yes. And this is 1999 only. And then
Okay.
we have these two.
these two.
इसमें एक
Can you
दो
put it like this?
दो और हैं कलर्स.
दो और हैं.
मतलब
Beautiful.
ये डिफरेंट एम्ब्रॉयडरी आ गई बट ये सिर्फ लार्ज साइज तक.
बहुत बढ़िया.
और ये वाला आपका डबल एक्सल तक.
डबल एक्सल तक ना, ठीक है.
And now for people who like pure pieces in pure chinon georgettes, we have these a little semi-formal, formalish pieces in a yellow and a black.
ब्लैक. सो दिस इज ऑल बीड वर्क, हाँ व्यूअर्स.
पूरा बारीक बीट, ये देखिए.
बीड और पर्ल, यू कैन से व्हाटएवर. और ये जो फैब्रिक है व्यूअर्स, ये चिनोन फैब्रिक में है, ठीक है. द एंटायर कॉर्ड सेट इज इन चिनोन फैब्रिक, ओके. एंड ऑल ओवर वर्क, हैंड वर्क, एंड स्लीव्स आल्सो हैज दिस काइंड ऑफ हैंड वर्क on it.
I'll show you the sleeves of the yellow
Yeah.
so that you have,
Yes.
you can
So
see. कैसा
everything in chinon, and it has butter crepe lining inside it.
है. So these are 265.
Pants are elasticated. So one
And
more
then
piece.
another muslin piece. इसमें भी
Cotton silk,
organza sleeve,
हाँ.
cotton silk,
Yeah, cotton silk.
और इस तरह के designer pants
Designer
हैं.
pants, and sleeves are also cuff sleeves. Very stylish
sir.
organza sleeves.
And it is
yeah.
a medium to a 42 size.
Very nice.
And now going to a bohemian category.
Now this
is
category
the
will take your
bag.
heart away. Look at
This
this.
is the bag, guys.
This is
ठीक
the
है?
reverse side. Big pom-poms. Okay.
And this is the front.
is
इसमें
the
हमारे
front.
पास medium से लेकर 3XL तक sizing मिलेगी
Wow,
आपको.
look at this.
And the price is only 1999.
1999 and pure banana cotton, huh?
And
ये साइड में रखना.
the next piece which I would like to show you is
This Hawaiian
one.
print. Very nice.
This is again a bohemian touch to it. And,
And
it's a super
bohemian
soft muslin crepe.
Yeah, bohemian come. You can say those yoga suits are very in
Very
these days.
in.
Very
We're going to
in.
be adding in the next
Yeah,
session.
yoga
we do.
suits, and it gives the look of that yoga suit, but it's not actually a yoga suit. Let me tell you, like
It's a
Firan,
coat.
but it gives that look actually.
And the price point is again 1999.
1999. Very nice. And look at the pants. Pants will have this kind of detailing, viewers. So we are giving you
Even the back.
each and every detailing we are trying to give, so that you get a fair idea of every article before buying it.
And अब ये आ गया super soft crepe और
Super soft crepe, and look at the sleeves, viewers.
ये सारा आपका hand paint है.
Hand painted है.
और
Okay. सीधा रखना है इसको.
bottom हमने आपको cotton दिया है.
Blended है.
Yes,
Blended है.
cotton है.
हाँ.
और ये आपका medium to plus sizes का.
Medium to plus sizes. So very very beautiful dresses, cord sets, viewers. One piece, two pieces.
और नाउ जैसे अंगरख रहता है वैसे हमने इसको डेवलप करा है. ये सारा रिबन वर्क है.
Ribbon work, and look at
Look at
this
this.
jacket style. Look at
This
the
is
sleeves.
again available from a small medium to a 48 size.
48
Price is
size.
2650.
All right.
Then we have these two. इसमें भी sizes हैं आपके. पूरे sizes.
Again,
मिलेंगे.
cotton silk, viewers. Pure cotton silk.
Two
and
colors.
Two colors. Tea
Price
blue.
is only 22.99.
Can you show it like this? Yeah.
22.99.
इधर देना, ये वाला रेड वाला इधर देना एक बार. Let me show the detailing. Viewers, ये कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है यार. I mean the fabric is too good. ये देखिए वर्क देखिए, और ये वर्क देखिए आप. Look at the work. ठीक है.
And the next piece to go is a denim quad. इसमें
Denim
आपको
quad.
सारे sizes मिलेंगे. This is taken over by a label. In fact, they have multiple orders on this piece. And the price is 2488. And the diamond quality is par excellence. इसके अंदर हमारे पास सिर्फ medium to a large है, क्योंकि I wanted to show you these two denims. And this one is only 1999. Then we've come up with this cotton silk again. All over, the price is 1295 only. XL size, और इसमें एक साइज और मिलेगा आपको येलो कलर में, मीडियम.
ठीक है.
And the next to go is a medium to a double XL again, a very nice quad. इसमें आपके रियल मिरर्स आ रहे हैं,
Embroidered
एम्ब्रॉयडरी है,
and real mirrors. Very nice quad set.
प्रॉपर इसके साथ
Cotton
आपका-
silk, pure.
और एप्पल कट. And the price is only 1450.
The fabric is wow, huh? ये रख देना साइड में.
And now you can see a red because we wanted to cover all colors. इसमें हमारे पास unfortunately medium large.
So
ही पड़ा.
this is Valentine special quad set, I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
you can say that.
है ना? Valentine
Valentine
special.
special.
Yeah.
Medium large, the price is only and only 1250.
Very beautiful.
Next is this medium to a double XL again. जैसे टेम्पल की साड़ियाँ होती है वैसे ही ये
Temple
piece है.
borders. These
वैसे
are-
ही ये पीस है. प्राइस इज ओनली 1495.
1495.
अगेन हिप कवरिंग.
Hip covering, very nice. Elasticated pants, viewers. And now
Next
comes
piece,
the
medium to a double XL again.
Yes.
Again, a very nice cord, embroidered. The price is $12.95 only.
ठीक है. 1, 2, 3. Action.
So the next piece which we are showing you is a pure Georgette piece.
With
and
embroidery or what is this? Laces
This is all embroidery.
and laces.
This is a little
Ari
lace.
work. Sorry guys. It's Ari work.
And these are very pretty pieces. Medium to 44 is available, and all pure. The price
All
is
pure.
2495 only.
All right.
And the next to go are again pure chinon pieces. We have 3 colors in this.
Mm-hmm.
Color 1,
Wait, show me the color one.
color 1,
Mm-hmm.
color 2, all embroidered, and color 3. So these are
Chinon.
in chinon for 2488 only, and you can see all handwork. पूरा बारीक काम है इसमें.
येलो वाला साइड में रखना है.
And now some suits.
Cotton suits viewers.
So कॉटन के सूट्स आ रहे हैं ये. आपका ये वाला जो फर्स्ट पीस है ये मीडियम टू 46 साइज में अवेलेबल है. And we've pepped it up with a neck piece. Neck piece will change with every size. And we have 2 beautiful colors in it. The price is only $11.95.
Pink and mint green color.
Pink and mint. These are like daily needs sort of nice pieces. $11.95.
$11.95 only 3-piece suit.
Yeah. Or medium to 46.
That
Then
means
we-
38 to 44.
Yes. Then we have this one.
Digital printing.
डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग में ये है आपका पीस. साइजेस आर मीडियम टू 44 साइज, एंड दीज आर 2 कलर्स इन दिस. 2 beautiful colors, lilac and
Place it on a table, no? This one.
So ये आपके कलर टोन्स आ गए. द प्राइस इज 1350 only. एंड द नेक्स्ट टू गो इज अनदर कॉटन बेसिक पीस, और इसमें आपका शिपले आ रहा है, एप्पल कट आ रहा है, एंड ये प्रिंटेड बोहेमियन पैंट्स आ रहे हैं. द प्राइस इज 1295 only.
Wait.
1295 only.
Wow. Wait, let me show the work. Get it closer to the camera. Oh, yes. Very nice.
1295 only. The next to go is another piece, and this is a muslin piece. And
With buttercrepe lining,
buttercrepe
organza
lining,
patch on the
organza
hem, and organza dupatta, scalloping, embroidered, and cotton silk is the suit and pant, elasticated pant.
Yes, and the price is 1650 only.
All right. So
And-
today we are showing. We are not in a hurry, viewers. Today I requested Nidhi ma'am to be very slow in explaining the articles so that you understand each and every specification of it. Okay.
और ये आपका आ गया जरी वर्क के साथ, और
Cotton silk.
कॉटन सिल्क आ गया. हल्का सा शिमर आएगा, और
Ideal for your marriage functions. huh?
मैरिज फंक्शंस. द प्राइस इज 1888 only,
It's the ideal one.
and the size is medium to XL only for this. Then we have a lavender color, because lavender is really much in demand. The price is 1495 with little work.
Banarsi jacquard, and this top will come with the handwork on the neckline.
Yeah. Medium to a double XL.
Medium to a double XL. Okay.
Then
ये
this
side में
one
रखना.
is again a very pretty muslin diary stitched है ये, और ये आपका 3XL तक मिलेगा, और पूरा हैंडवर्क है इसमें. और ये वाला आपका रहेगा 2488. इट्स अ
24?
प्रीमियम क्रेप मसलिन डायरीज.
ठीक है.
इस तरह से. Again another shiffle on popular demand,
Nice.
और this is the
Hand
hand
painted
painted
organza
dupatta.
dupatta, and the length will be I think around
It's like a 38, 37 inches.
37 inches. Yes, and it
And
comes
this is real mirrors. And
one
this
cotton
is the
lining.
whole lookbook of the piece. The price is 2100 only.
All right.
Another one, medium to a double XL. ये आपका मसलिन का पीस आ गया, और ये है 1495. ओके, नाउ वी हैव 2 कलर्स इन दिस. इसमें है मीडियम लार्ज. इस तरह से शिफॉन का दुपट्टा है, मसलिन का आर्टिकल है, और ये वाला आपका जा रहा है डबल XL. सो और इस तरह से हल्का हल्का बूटा ऑन द दुपट्टा. प्राइस इज 1495.
All right.
Then we have
Wait.
Then we have a beautiful muslin diaries. इसमें बॉटम स्टिच नहीं है, प्लीज़ नोट कर लेना ये पॉइंट. और हल्का हल्का सा बूटी है यहाँ जरी का.
This is soft muslin.
वेरी सॉफ्ट मसलिन.
and the color is also very uncommon. Not very much seen, viewers, on the rack.
And the price is 1650. Bottom you have to get stitched.
All right. Does it has a lining inside?
No, it doesn't
Okay.
have a lining.
And dupatta will come with this golden foil print, I believe, or is it a sequence work?
It's a little sequence.
Okay,
It's our
sequence work. Okay, sequence work, and taping on all the four sides.
So the price is again 1650 for this.
Okay.
And this, I personally have the piece. It looks gorgeous
Yeah, violet
because
color.
ये बहुत ही प्रिटी सा पीस है और अगर आप देखोगे तो ये रियल मिरर्स आ रहे हैं. साइजेस आर अवेलेबल. इसमें हमारे पास 40 से लेकर 46 तक साइजिंग है. हाथ में मेरे अभी 42 है दो. So this is the dupatta coming in, and the price point of this is 2200 only.
All right.
It looks really nice as a good anarkali. Then we have this in Maheshwari Chanderi, and
अरे वाह, क्या बात है.
और इसमें कॉटन
थोड़ा
का
दूर लेके आना इसको. थोड़ा दूर लेके आना, डिस्टेंस से
कॉटन
दिखाना.
का इसका लोअर है
Wow.
और इट्स अ ट्रेंडी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पीस. इसकी स्लीव्स भी आती
Very trendy, very designer, viewers. Very uncommon.
है. मीडियम टू अ 46 sizes available,
Super elegant.
and we have this is the dupatta.
कलमकारी मधुबनी
Yes.
print dupatta, viewers.
Madhubani print dupatta
And jacquard borders.
and neck piece. The price is 2199.
And it comes with the cotton mull lining. It's a beautiful dress. Beautiful.
2199.
Very nice. ये साइड में रख देना.
And now a little formal touch to a few pieces, guys, because we have to
Chinon.
show everything. ये चिनॉन का पीस है
गोटापत्ती वर्क.
और इसमें सारा शिमर
दरज
का
का काम
कपड़ा लगा हुआ है
सा
ताकि
कपड़ा?
शिमर का कपड़े से करा गया है.
गोटा शिमर.
गोटा शिमर इस तरह से.
चिनॉन है, व्यूअर्स. और ये सारा इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एप्लिक. मशीन एप्लिक.
एप्लिक वर्क
This
सारा.
is
और do not
beautiful
miss the
dress.
sleeves also.
मतलब कोई भी पार्टीज में व्यूअर्स इतना ना ब्लिंग या फिर जैजी सा दिखने वाला एक बॉडी, मतलब ज्यादा ओवर भी नहीं है, बहुत
वो भी
ही
नहीं है बट डिसेंट नंबर है. अगर
रीजनेबल
आपको
अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क.
एंड द प्राइस इज 2888 for
शिबोरी दुपट्टा
this. Yes.
एंड शिफॉन में दुपट्टा एंड सूट इज इन चिनॉन. एंड पैंट्स कौन सी दिखाइए?
ये
पैंट्स का कपड़ा कौन सा है?
सेम
चिनॉन विद द लाइनिंग.
with the lining,
विद
proper
द
proper
लाइनिंग.
lining.
वेरी
And
ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत ही अच्छा ड्रेस है.
2999.
ये साइड में रख देना.
next piece which I'm showing you is also बारीक काम on the
अरे
sleeves.
वाह, आइस ब्लू कलर.
ये ऑर्गेन्जा की स्लीव्स आ जाती है. मसलिन का पीस आता है.
ये नहीं, मसलिन नहीं है ये. दिस इज कॉटन चंदेरी.
कॉटन
Pure cotton chanderi with cotton mull lining inside it. Look at the sleeves. Sleeves are in net or organza.
This is super soft organza.
Super soft organza with the handwork on it, and look at the moti work, pearl work on the neckline, and look at the golden kardana work. And these
this
are
is the
hem
pants.
portion of the pants.
And the price is 2650. And look at
organza
the scallop
dupatta.
here with all.
Kardana work.
Yes.
Golden kardana. दूर से दिखाना जरा ये. नीचे रखो. अब दूर लेके जाओ. Look at this, viewers. Beautiful dress, beautiful color, stunning article, elegant article, super elegant. ये साइड में रख देना.
2650. And then another formal. This is also हर तरह के लोगों के लिए हर तरह की चीज लेकर आए हैं.
Yes. So
ये
this has all. आप दूर से देख रहे होंगे, Lurex नहीं, viewers. This is all colorful kardana tubelight work, and this has some pearl hangings
On the sleeves.
on the
It gives a
sleeves.
good nice royal
Nice
look
number,
to it.
viewers.
And this is the dupatta.
This is the
Dupatta.
dupatta. This is like flat chinon and some copper zari work done on it with scalloping borders and chandla work. Okay.
So this
and
is
look
also very pretty piece.
look at this hangings here. Beautiful, very pretty
पूरा काम
article.
है. Price is 2800.
2800. Very nice.
Next piece to go, we have up till the 3XL in this one. 2XL, 3XL, medium onwards.
This is muslin. Okay, viewers.
और ये आपका sleeves आ गया.
Wait. Yes.
चिनॉन
No.
अटैच है थोड़ा सा.
मसलिन जैसी है. मसलिन जैसी है.
एंड
Cotton
फॉरएवर
muslin.
टाइप ऑफ पीस है बेसिकली.
इतना प्यारा है ना, व्यूअर्स, मैं बता रहा हूँ कसम से. एंड शैंटून की लाइनिंग एंड शैंटून की पैंट्स, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल आर्टिकल है यार.
और ये सेकंड कलर.
Wow, look at this.
इवन इफ फॉर अ ट्रूजो आल्सो इट्स अ गुड पीस.
गो क्रेजी कलर्स, गो क्रेजी डिजाइंस. व्यूअर्स, ये देखिए इसका वर्क देखिए नेकलाइन पे, और उसको भी जस्ट प्लेस इट ऑन द टेबल ना. ये दोनों साइड में रखना. लुक एट दिस फूशिया पिंक कलर, व्यूअर्स. वाओ.
These are the
Beautiful
need
dress.
of the hour for any little function.
And what is the price of these articles?
Only 2499.
249 sizes starts from 38 to
Medium to 44, 46.
44, 46 दोनों साइड में रखना है ये. Now
नेक्स्ट इज अ प्योर कॉटन. ये हमारा साइज कंस्ट्रेंट रहेगा. मीडियम टू 40 साइज समझ लीजिए.
medium to 40, that means 38 to 40.
42 तक
But the
लास्ट.
very gorgeous piece, huh?
और
very
इसके
nice.
साथ ये देखो, ये आपका ट्यूलिप आ गया, ये आपकी पोटली आ गई. ये आपकी पोटली आ गई. द प्राइस इज ओनली 1999 ओनली.
ठीक है.
एंड नाउ ब्लैक कलर, डू नॉट मिस दिस. ये आई थिंक अतर के चैनल से हमने बहुत बेचा. वन ऑफ द कलर्स लेफ्ट, वन ऑफ द पीसेस. एंड ये हमने रिपीट करा है.
Beautiful, beautiful black.
और पूरा कटवर्क का काम है ऑन प्योर क्रेप.
Crepe.
और ये देखो दोनों तरफ ये काम आ रहा है.
Italian crepe and tone to tone kardana work, and look at the neck piece, viewers, and dupatta is like sone pe suhaga. It's a baluchi dupatta with mirror pasting done all over the dupatta, viewers, and you can use dupatta as a scarf also.
Yes.
One piece also on your denims. Okay, so it's a multi-use article.
It's a multi-use item.
Okay, and then
And this one is a 2588.
2588, and then comes there comes
Laser
a
cut
peach color.
cotton piece pieces.
Yes.
साइजेस को बताऊँ.
Wow, look at this. Now
ये
I'm going
हमने इसको
crazy.
पेप अप करा है नेक पीस के साथ.
Very beautiful.
और इसमें आपके दो कलर्स आ रहे हैं. वन इज अ
Rama green and peach, dark peach.
One, this will go up till an XL and this will go up till a double XL.
Double XL. Wow.
Price is only 1495.
1495.
पूरा लेजर कट आ रहा है.
Laser cut article है. Wow, very nice. Designer articles. Peach side में रख देना.
नेक्स्ट पीस इज अ अनारकली.
Yoke pattern अनार. अरे वाह, क्या बात है. इसका प्रिंट देखिए, सारा फॉइल प्रिंटिंग में है.
सो ये मीडियम टू अ डबल एक्सएल आ रहा है गाइस. ये
The entire suit comes with foil printing.
यस.
Let me tell you that, and it has angrakha neckline, and angrakha will have all this kind of handwork on it, and
With
this
this
kind
tassels.
of laces, and these are the tassels. Okay, and
एंड दिस इज अ 1350 ओनली.
1350 only, and this is cotton silk fabric. So 3-piece set.
Three
This is
piece set.
color number 1 and color number 2 dark rama green.
हाँ, इसमें थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है. ये यहाँ पर सीधा इस तरह से आ रहा है.
Kiara cut. This is Kiara cut.
एंड बेल्ट आप यूज करना चाहें तो करें, नहीं तो नहीं करें.
Okay,
इस तरह से आ रहा
depends.
है. और ये वाला रहेगा 1495 बिकॉज ऑफ द.
व्यूवर्स, हम थोड़ा सा समय निकाल रहे हैं आपके लिए. थोड़े से हम गिने चुने अनस्टिच सूट्स दिखा रहे हैं. अनस्टिच इन द सेंस सेमी स्टिच. दोज आर गोइंग टू बी सेमी स्टिच सूट्स, ब्यूटीफुल सूट्स. ओके, वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड सूट्स. और वी आर गोइंग टू showcase only 4 articles in unstitch. Rest you can have a video call with the team at Mystic Studio. They will help you out with more articles in unstitch segment. Okay, so Nidhi ji, please go ahead.
सो आई एम शोइंग यू दिस जॉर्जेट डायरीज.
Okay.
एंड इस पे सारा छीटा है दुपट्टे पे और पूरे
मुकेश का
बर्ड्स
ना?
बने हुए हैं.
हाँ.
और पूरा पानी सीक्वेंस चल रहा है और थ्रेड वर्क है. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 2650 ओनली एट द मोमेंट.
2650. And
जॉर्जेट है.
up to what size is it going to fit?
50 साइज तक आप बनवा सकते हैं.
ठीक है.
कोई भी हमारे सूट 50-55 साइज तक आप बना सकते
You know, viewers, I just could side this dress, and I requested Nidhi ma'am to pull out the dress from the plastic packet, because why? You know why? Because it has rai bandage work, rai bandage print, which is very trending these days, and it has this zari coding work on it and scallop dupatta with zari work on
एंड
the
ना
borders.
पुराना होने वाला, बहुत अच्छा बेहतरीन.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत है ये. सो दीज आर ऑल एंड रॉकिंग सूट आने वाला है. दिल थाम के बैठिए, एकदम सुपर स्टनिंग. मेरा आज का फेवरेट अनस्टिच में से, सेमी स्टिच में से.
ये
इतना
आपका बनारसी के साथ है.
ये इतना अच्छा है. दिस कम्स इन उपाड़ा सिल्क.
Uppada silk.
दिस इज उपाड़ा सिल्क विद सम काइंड ऑफ एसेसरी पेस्टिंग की गई है. यहाँ पे फॉइल की पेस्टिंग है.
फॉइल की पूरी पेस्टिंग
Foil
जा
की
रही है पूरी लाइफ में.
एंड ये सारा कुंदन वर्क है. ओके, डायमंडीज है ना ये भी.
यस.
ओके, डायमंडीज या हिंदी में प्योर बोलेंगे तो कुंदन
कुंदन वर्क इज द राइट वर्ड.
है ना, दैट्स द राइट वर्ड. एंड दिस
And
हैज
this
सम
is
काइंड
the
ऑफ
बनारसी
embroidery
दुपट्टा
inside.
with a
Banarsi,
Colour.
and they have created such a nice contrast. Look at this embroidery which is done between this diamantes, है ना. इसको इसका contrast दिया दुपट्टे का with golden jacquard. Mind blowing suit, viewers. It's semi stitch, costing how much?
2800.
2800 only. All right. So look at the salvage portion also. Salvages also are in orange. इस साइड में रखना.
And the
And-
next piece which I would like to show you is this
ये
Kota Patri in the shimmer.
ये तो सोने पे सुहागा है व्यूअर्स। और मैं बता दूं व्यूअर्स, ये है क्या फैब्रिक, आजकल मसलिन पे शिमर आ रहा है, ठीक है। तो दिस इज दिस इज नॉट मसलिन शिमर, दिस इज टिश्यू शिमर।
This is tissue
Tissue
shimmer,
shimmer.
जो कि अभी बहुत ट्रेंड में है।
यार व्यूअर्स, मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, ये जो टिश्यू शिमर मैम दिखा रही हैं, ये इतना सॉफ्ट है कि मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया। मसलिन लग रहा है ये,
You can see the
मसलिन
movement
लग
of
रहा
my
है ये।
hand.
गोटे का सारा काम है, इतना प्यारा कलर है, इतना खूबसूरत ड्रेस है। मैं आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू
And the
एग्जैजरेट
shimmer
व्यूअर्स।
one is for 2,999.
2,999
और मैं इसी का आपको एक
Black
ग्रेश
Black.
ब्लैकिश दिखा रही हूँ। ये
Wow.
जॉर्जेट में है गाइस।
ये साइड में रखना मेहंदी कलर,
इसे
ये
मैं
भी
खोल के आपको
हाँ
इसलिए
बिल्कुल
दिखा रही
बिल्कुल,
हूँ
अगर
ताकि
इनजस्टिस
आपको-
होगा वरना।
कि ये वाला जॉर्जेट में है, जिनको भी शिमर नहीं पसंद फॉर से
बहुत प्यारा,
एग्जांपल,
बहुत प्यारा,
तो आपके पास ये ऑप्शन है।
वेरी नाइस,
So this is the second option.
वाओ।
And the next to go, we going back to some stitch suits.
नाउ हम फिर से अब अपनी ट्रैक पे आ रहे हैं,
we have
स्टिच
to-
सूट्स दिखा रहे हैं फिर से।
और हम क्योंकि we want to cover the Indo-Western section, which is
यार
a
आई
big
मीन
loot
निधि
kind
जी,
of a thing.
निधि जी, दिस इज सच अ रॉयल पीस।
So इसमें हमारे पास 38, 40, 42 तीन साइजेस मिलेंगे।
एक मिनट पहले सही से दिखाओ इसको। दिस कम्स इन कियारा स्टाइल। थोड़ा नीचे रखना, नीचे रखना, नीचे रखना टेबल पे। ये देखिए, इस तरह का प्योर जूट कॉटन में है, कॉटन फ्लेक्स में है ये, मैं बता दूं। और इसके ऊपर सारी प्रिंटिंग है ये। और ये देखिए इसका नेक पीस अफगानी स्टाइल,
अफगानी
और इसका दुपट्टा आप देखोगे तो यू विल गो क्रेजी। एकदम अच्छे फैब्रिक में है ये। आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट, ग्लास ऑर्गेन्जा, यस ग्लास ऑर्गेन्जा पे है।
और हल्का हल्का इस पे गदाई हो रखी है।
सुपर सॉफ्ट, सुपर सॉफ्ट। और ये देखिए इसके जो प्रिंट्स है ना, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट प्रिंट्स, इसकी ब्यूटी को ऐड कर रहे हैं।
So this is the look. This is the back look.
दिस इज द
you get
बैक
of
लुक
the
व्यूअर्स,
piece.
वेरी नाइस
And
आर्टिकल,
the
वेरी
price
नाइस।
is 2,488 only.
2488, ये साइड में रख देना।
And the next piece which I would like to show you
प्योर कॉटन था
is
व्यूअर्स ना
a
वो।
pastel again.
पेस्टल्स, लुक एट
So
दिस।
because I think from East India to any part of North
This is
India
all hand
to a
paint
southern,
viewers. This is hand
pura
painted.
hand paint. Again, we've given you Afghani neck piece, completely stitched.
Seriously.
The price is
Chiffon dupatta.
2350 only.
2350 and sizes
Sizes are available from medium to a 44.
44 तक ना, ठीक है।
And then we have this one,
This one,
medium to a 46
wow, and this has figure motifs, huh?
figure motive.
Okay,
And
so people who don't buy figure motifs, please be cautious about it.
नहीं, we will change the दुपट्टा।
We
आप
will
हमारे
change
से
the
वीडियो
दुपट्टा।
कॉल करें, क्योंकि
ठीक है।
ये कपड़ा इतना बेहतरीन है। इट्स अ खादी कॉटन लिनन।
हाँ, खादी
इसमें
को-
बॉटम अनस्टिच्ड है गाइस, बट इफ यू वांट
Fringe
अ स्टिच्ड
laces,
बॉटम
हाँ।
वी गिव।
इतना प्यारा सूट है यार ये, खादी
एंड
लिनन
इसका
में।
प्राइस रहेगा 2250।
ठीक है, दूर से दिखाना थोड़ा, नीचे रख देना, टेबल पे रखना। एक मिनट, टेबल पे आराम से रखो। ये देखो जूट कॉटन में सूट है व्यूअर्स, और इसकी स्लीव्स देखिए कितनी प्यारी डिजाइनर स्लीव्स है। गुड।
एंड द नेक्स्ट पीस व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू इज अगेन अ मसलिन डायरीज। ये आपका 50 साइज तक आपको मिलेगा।
50 साइज तक मिल जाएगा, 38 to 50
38
साइजेस।
to 50
आइवरी
sizes.
वाइट कलर,
आइवरी वाइट।
Okay.
और पूरा ये देखो हाथ का काम।
पूरा हाथ के काम है।
1999 only।
1999,
9 only.
ठीक है।
And 2 pieces I'm showing you in the sale, 2-3 pieces sale cotton category. इसमें ये नायरा कट आ रहा है
हाँ।
with this kind of a cotton
पीछे
दुपट्टा।
रखना, पीछे रखना, नीचे रखना है, पीछे रख के नीचे रखना। हाँ, बहुत प्यारा कॉटन में है व्यूअर्स, रेयॉन कॉटन है ये।
ये आपका है 1095।
1095 सेल में निकाल रही है मैम ये।
1095।
ठीक है, अगला।
Another piece on the sale नायरा का।
हाँ, इज दिस सुपर्ब आर्टिकल।
ये आपका 1195 में है, अगर क्योंकि ये लेसेस इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा यूज हुई हुई हैं नीचे
हाँ,
तक।
हाँ हाँ, पीछे लेके जाना ड्रेस। हाँ,
और ये आपका दुपट्टा
प्योर कॉटन। ओके,
और बिल्कुल ये समर के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छे पीस।
बहुत अच्छे पीसेस हैं, ये देखिए।
Then we have this in a medium to a XL. Price is 1000 only. Again on sale.
अगेन ऑन सेल, बनाना
1000
कॉटन पे, शिफॉन चिनॉन दुपट्टा, शिफॉन
और
दुपट्टा, सॉरी।
इसमें हमारे पास 38 to 46 साइज है प्योर कॉटन में।
38 to 46, ओके।
And the price point is 1250 only.
1250 only, all right, next।
Next is a article you can get white pants or a black pants with it. पूरा अनारकली है, ब्लैक
बंदेज पे है।
मीडियम टू 44 साइज अवेलेबल। ब्लैक या वाइट आप हमें खुद बताएंगे तो हम वही कलर का पैंट्स डालेंगे। प्राइस
ठीक है।
इज 1095।
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट।
Another one. ये हमारा highly repeated piece है and it's a beautiful cotton linen, khadi cotton linen sort of a piece.
हाँ.
Look at this broad bottom.
नेट की यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा पैच लगाया है.
बहुत well done. It's by a designer only. Very well done piece. ये देखो. Sleeves देखो. So the price of this one is 2350.
हाँ.
एंड नाउ अनदर कॉटन, ये भी आपका 2 पीस का सेट है. प्लीज़ ये चीज़ नोट कर लेना इस पीस में, सो दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन. 1250 ओनली नायरा.
1250 ओनली नायरा. पीछे लेना थोड़ा. प्योर कॉटन है, मल कॉटन.
प्योर मल कॉटन और ये इसका
दुपट्टो. ठीक है.
नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल, ये आपका कॉटन में थोड़ा सा सिल्क मिक्स्ड है एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा. प्राइस इज 1095 ओनली. ये सारा जरी है.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट
एप्लिक ब्यूटीफुल नंबर. बहुत बेहतरीन पीस है ये भी. आप देखो बहुत प्रिटी पीस है. और ये लुक एट दिस स्लीव्स. 40 to 44 साइज अवेलेबल. सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑर्गेन्जा दुपट्टा. प्राइस इज 2488.
ठीक है.
दिस अनारकली वी हैव इन अ फ्यू साइजेस अप टिल 44. प्राइस इज 1200 ओनली.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट
नेक्स्ट इज अ ल्यूरिक्स कॉटन लोअर. अ वेरी ट्रेंडी पीस. 2 पीस का सेट है. हाई लो आ रहा है कॉटन का. इस तरह से स्लीव्स लेस के साथ. ये आपका ल्यूरिक्स कॉटन का लोअर. प्राइस इज 1195 ओनली. 2 पीस सेट अगेन, सिर्फ मीडियम लार्ज विद दिस नेक पीस. प्राइस इज 1000. अनदर पीस मीडियम टू अ साइज 46 मसलिन कॉटन में है और विद बीड्स. प्राइस इज 1000. Another piece. ये वाला जो मैं आपको पीस दिखा रही हूँ ये आपका प्लस साइजेस तक जाएगा. बॉटम इज वाइट कलर.
प्योर कॉटन है.
प्योर कॉटन और
टाई एंड डाई में है.
टाई एंड डाई में है. द प्राइस इज 1350.
इसको साइड में रखना.
We are showing you our series of interventions and this is all handwork and this is on crepe.
क्रेप.
So आप देख सकते हैं कि it's a 2 piece set and these are classics.
नीचे रखना, नीचे रखना, नीचे रखना.
These are classics. So this one is a 3488 and then we have this Indo-Western green color. Again a 3488. It's a very nice classic piece. Another one is the most highly sellable piece of ours and you can see the intricate handwork. And this is a statement piece. 3488. And the next to go is a very long kaftan and this is all mirror work in crepe. It's a classic again, full length, nice kaftan. The price is
Mirror work.
2888 for this one. And then we have this beautiful organza diaries. So ये आपका organza का piece है.
Soft organza and with
You
all
can
the
see
handwork.
from my hand.
Yeah.
All बारीक handwork.
Yeah. And tassel hangings.
Yes. And इसका मसलिन का लोअर है. The price is 3488. And now another kaftan quad. This is again a very rich piece in pure chinon georgette. इस तरह से work है इस पे. You can even get a black and a grey color in it. You can inquire. The price is 3500.
एक मिनट. सोनी ये साइड में रखना, ये वाला.
3500. And now launching this very pretty piece and you can see my own picture in this garment.
Chinon ना.
Yeah, it is a chinon and the whole drape is very nice. If you want to see a picture, I can show you my picture from one of the haldi pieces I wore for a recent wedding in Jaipur. And we have sizes from medium to a 48-50 size in this. So this looks really royal. मतलब इसकी hanger value and डालने की value is different. So price is strictly on demand for this beautiful.
ये दोनों साइड में रखना, ये वाले. Beautiful articles.
Another piece which I'm showing
Poncho
you
style.
is most high on demand. We tried to do a Lurex georgette in it, which didn't work because this is a pure piece. And this is again a highly sellable garment of ours. All sizes are available.
Yeah.
And then we have a gorgeous piece which is
What fabric is it?
kaftan quad.
Okay,
this is again
it comes
a
in
pure
chinon.
You can take out your hands
You
here.
can never go wrong with black color, viewers. Beautiful black.
Beautiful.
And the workmanship is so well done. So it's coming out very well. on black. Okay.
And then we have
You have the
another
red
one,
color.
red color. इसमें आपके 4 colors आएंगे. Sizes सारे होंगे.
Okay, black
In
side
fact,
में
from
रखना.
our last video also we had shipped to a lot of wholesalers
Wow,
out
this
of
purple
India
is
as
too
well.
good. This purple is too good. Wow. Black और purple side में रखना.
And
Wow.
another one out here is a mustard yellow for haldis, because
For
haldi is the
haldi's.
need of the hour and everybody wants to wear Indo-Westerns for that.
Yes.
And the next Indo-Western which I would like to show you is a divider piece
Okay.
with this organza jacket.
Top jacket.
And this is the bustier for it. So
And
we have more clothes like
flat
this. Right now I'm
chinon
just showing
pants.
you a sample. You can also video call me and see these kind of pieces. And Mystic Studio is always famous for their kaftans, and you know we've been awarded 5 times for our kaftans.
And this is again in chinon with sequence, silver sequence, and the workmanship. Look at the workmanship on the
And this has
necktie
got
and
work on the sleeves as well.
wow, very beautiful
So
article.
we all know the price of our kaftans. It's because of our resellers. Sometimes we can't reveal some prices. Our
Hmm.
kaftans are not only India famous; they are world famous.
Yes.
And I'm just showing you, brushing up just a few pieces for this. And this is the mirror work. And the next piece which I would like to show you is again a pure ombre.
Wow.
And this is all and all.
Oh my God! Look at this
इसके आप
piece.
multiple pieces बनवा सकते हैं. There are a lot of labels who have
Look
connected
at this
to us.
piece, viewer. This is super gorgeous, yaar. And look at the neckline.
So
Look at
our
the neckline.
culture of the kaftans was started at the Emporium Mall,
Comes in
Delhi,
ombre, yeah. ये side में रखना ये वाला.
before the pandemic.
Copper and black. Yeah.
So our kaftans which I'm showing you at the moment are not with any vendor all over India, all over the world.
Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
And the next to go is this V-neck piece. Look at this beautiful, nice number. So these are more like gowns. And the next one to show you is again a ombre. This is with the bottom. And it's a beautiful,
This
nice
is in
number.
chinon.
Yes.
And the pant is in shantoon.
Yeah, this is the piece. Look at the piece. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful. Marvelous.
And sorry for the non-announcement of the pricing. We so
Look
this
at
is a
this.
drape, guys.
This is a drape, cowl pattern. And this comes with the jacket.
Yeah.
And look at the workmanship on the jacket, viewers.
And do not forget the back.
Fuchsia pink color. And look at the back. It has some small buta on the reverse side.
And the next piece which I would like to show you
Super
is a
stunning.
twin set.
Super stunning.
And we have bottoms with it.
Yeah, what is this called?
This is all leather work, and इसपे हल्का सा there's a gota with
Is it
rear
leather?
mirror.
No, I think it's some kind of, material used.
Yes.
To design
and,
it.
And let me just show you the lower as well.
So this
that
is
there's
banana
no
cotton,
confusion.
viewers.
Look at this.
Even the pant comes in banana cotton, elasticated. And look
And
at
the
this.
next one is a digital kaftan. It's a complete set, guys.
Wow.
ये आपका complete set है. और उसके
Beautiful.
बाद we have this one.
Wow.
Complete sets. ये complete sets हैं, and I think we'll end with these digital kaftans which are quite reasonable. So we have these single ones as well.
Single ones priced at
These are 1495.
1495. All right.
And the next one to go is this one.
So it's so easy on your pocket also, viewers.
And we have
And-
neck pieces with each piece. Look at
Yes.
this. And last 2 pieces of the day are these kind of kaftans. By chance हमारे पास अभी 2 ही पीस हैं इस तरह के. ये शॉर्टर हैं, ये भी 1495 रहेंगे और हल्की फुल्की एम्ब्रॉयडरी
Turn
है.
to turn moti work.
Yeah. इसमें हमारे पास हर then we have more variety. So this is a little gist of Mystic Studio,
Okay.
which I showed you. And I would end with 3 cheers to the Metro Heights fraternity who's been with Mystic Studio all through and through.
हाँ.
All through and through Mystic Studio के साथ Athar and Metro Heights has been there.
Thank you so much.
So, okay, I forgot one very nice pieces. 4 पीस और दिखा रहे हो viewers.
Statement pieces, huh?
ये statement pieces हैं. सोनी एक मिनट. So ये है आपके divider के साथ.
Yes.
जैसे आप वेडिंग्स के लिए यूज़ करना चाहते हैं,
हाँ.
इस पे हल्का फुल्का वर्क आप इस पे भी
हाँ.
देख सकते हैं. ये इसमें मैं 3 कलर्स दिखा रही हूँ. इसकी प्राइसिंग भी सॉरी रिक्वेस्ट पे रहेगी. पीस 1,
Piece 2.
पीस 2
ये दोनों साइड में रखना.
एंड पीस 3.
पीस 3.
ये सारे स्टेटमेंट पीसेस हैं जिनको भी शरारे के साथ या डिवाइडर्स के साथ सेट्स लेने हैं. एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज दिस पीस इन प्योर. लुक एट दिस.
ठीक है.
ये आपका. So thank you so much and 3 cheers for Metro Heights.
Thank you so much, Nidhi ji, for getting such a wonderful collection in today's episode, viewers. I hope you must have liked this video. It was quite engaging and interesting one because I was completely lost. Okay, so how about you, viewers? Please comment in the comment section, viewers. And for more information, for more specifications, details of any of the articles which you find interesting, you may please call the team at Mystic Studio. They will be more than happy to entertain your queries. Okay, thank you so much once again, Nidhi ji, and thank you all for watching this video with patience. And with this sweet note, we wind up, and we will catch up with you very soon in a new episode all together with some new collection. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping. Thank you.